Welcome back, friends. I want to thank you for stopping by today. I want to wish you a happy Easter. Today, we're going to be making a buttermilk pie. It's a classic Southern dish, so let's get into it. So this pie comes together super quick. So if you forgot something for your Easter Sunday dinner, I got your back. So we're going to start off by adding some sugar, which is about 1.25 cups, and then 1/2 cup of melted butter. I forgot my whisk doohickey. We're just going to mix this together until it comes kind of smooth. Okay, next we're going to go in with our eggs. And same story as before, just going to mix. Okay, now I've got about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've got 3 tablespoons of flour. This flour is just kind of a thickener for it. We're going to go in with some vanilla extract, vanilla paste. We're a paste family. Just about a teaspoon. I want a little more though. I love vanilla. Okay, now we're going to go in with our buttermilk. Depending on which recipe you go back in time to, there's so many ingredients that are kind of added to this just to kind of make it a little bit better of a pie. And so we're going into spring, and so I'm going to do the lemon variation of this, where I've got the zest of 1 lemon, and then I've got about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So we're just going to get this all to come together. God, it looks so good. You know, in a couple of previous pie videos I made homemade pie crust. Today I'm just using like a frozen one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're just going to fill it up. And this is a deep pie crust, not a shallow one. If you use a shallow one, you can probably get 2 pies out of this. So 5 minutes it takes to put this together at max. So this is going to go in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. What we're going to be looking for is that the center of this has been set, and that you'll start to see a little thin crust form across the top of it. So I'm going to get this in the oven and we'll see when it's done. Okay, so our pie is done and she looks great. Ended up taking about 55 minutes for this pie. You know, I had a 45-minute timer and I checked it then, and then I checked it one more time, and then finally at 55 minutes it was ready to go. Pulled it out, set it on a cooling rack, and I let it sit here for 30 minutes. While this was happening, I made some whipped cream and then I cut up some berries. So let's get a little slice of this. No. This may have to be Rachel's part. I think it could have probably cooked for just a little bit longer. Maybe set up a little bit longer. I think it's still a little too hot, so I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit longer. Set up some more, so we'll see you then. Okay, let's give this another try. Okay, not the best turnout. I think a combination of cooking it a little bit longer and letting it set longer would have not led to this disaster, but let's get a taste. Man, with the berries and the whipped cream, oh, Wow. The lemon juice definitely makes this super springy. Wow. You know, I love classic Southern pies. I want to wish you a happy Easter. I want to thank you for stopping by today. Remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment. I guess you can make fun of me for not getting this pie perfect, but yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.
Cool.